Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And today my sons McGregor and Quinn are doing an activity called 100 Chart Hunt. They each have a 100 chart and a set of clues. And you can find these 100 chart and clues on my webpage, carriecutler.com. So what we have here is the first clue said, Tim's secret number is a multiple of 5. So what did you guys cover up?
All the stuff that is not 5 or 10.
All of the numbers that are not multiples of 5s. Yeah, so what did you have? You've got 2 columns left, right? The skip count by 5s and the skip count by 10s. Are you ready for the next clue?
Yep.
All right, the next clue says, Tim's number is odd. Odd, okay. What do you think? What are you gonna cover up now?
What?
Tim's number is odd. Ooh, Quinn is already starting to cover up all of the 10s. 10, 20, 30, because those are even numbers. McGregor, what are you covering up? Yeah. And you're starting from the bottom. Good job. All right, so we have more clues. The boys are going to keep reading those clues, and in the end, after we've read all 6 clues, one number is going to be remaining on the board, and that is going to be the secret Tim's number. Very exciting. The idea of this activity is that children are beginning to find patterns in our number system. It took them a while to put all of their pieces on for that first clue that said Tim's number is is a multiple of 5. And it took a while to put all those many cubes on, but it was interesting because the boys kept saying things like, wow, there's a lot of numbers that are not multiples of 5. And later Quinn said, look at my board, it has just 2 long columns that are remaining. And now what do you guys have remaining on your board? 1 long column, and I bet the next few clues are going to help us find Tim's number. Hey, I hope you're having a fun time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Check out my website, carriecutler.com, for the Black Line Masters for this activity. Have a great day. Can you guys say bye?
Bye.